Semo Pasuma Wonder Ogala Fuji. I'm here to clear the air about the rumors going all around on every social media, all the social media, that I was chased away at a protest ground in Alausa. I wasn't chased away. The youths are even happy that day that I came. They were happy. They were happy seeing me, that I came to support them. Because they knew I came to support them. I'm in support of what they're asking for. 100% in support of what they're asking for. Because I have kids as well. And I believe it's for the betterment of every one of us if Nigeria is great and better again. Yes. So why won't I support them? Great Nigerian youths, I'm in support of what you are asking for. We're all in this together. We are the giant of Africa before, and I believe we are coming back strong to become the lion of Africa again. So why won't I support? I'm in support of what they're asking for. So I say, end SARS, end police brutality, stop killing our youth. Stop killing Nigerian youth. They are the leaders of tomorrow. And for those of you spreading fake rumors that I was chased away at a protest ground, I say, fair. And one more thing. Federal government and state government of Nigeria, the Nigerian youths are not backing off soon. Until they back bon content they back bowa. We are not backing off. Any láti bon ti a tan so àti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè báyìí o. We need new Nigeria. Nigeria needs to be great again. Nigerian youth, I'm in support. I'm with you 100%. We are in this together. May God bless Nigeria. May God bless Nigeria youth. Great, great, great Nigeria youth. Great, great, great Nigeria youth. Thank you so very much.
Police brutality and police extortion. And you're not supposed to be so. Some of us, they fight for food. No be food we can't chop for a year. No be drinks we can't chop for a year. I beg. Nobody, we don't need anybody to make you fight for food. The food there, if you chop and you go shit. By night you go do anything, you go shit. So if you go shit food, it means say the food when we say we need, when we need chop, now make Nigeria they waiting, they better. Because now forever, if you die, your children go day. Make I tell you now one story. You see when I come out today, now personal struggle make me come out. Because if to say my papa and my mama don't fight, don't do this agitation, we not go to this place. None of us go do anything to this place. So because the older generation, the older generation, they don't fear. You know what? But you don't fear. You know why? Make I tell you something. You see this generation. This government fucked with the wrong generation. This government they fucked with the wrong generation. This generation will not they fear anybody. As today like this, now this generation, Hausa and Igbo they marry each other. They don't send if you be Hausa, I don't send if you be Igbo. I go marry you, provided I like you. This generation, I don't care if you be Christian or you be Muslim, I go do things with you. If you remember that, I don't send, you don't consign me, I go do things with you. Now this generation, we don't care about tribalism again. I talk to you, no be so. This generation, we don't care about religion. You know what the leaders they use? They don't use religion. Say, you won't follow that Muslim boy, no follow that Christian boy, no follow that Babalawo boy. But you don't know what life, the suffer, he taught both Christian and both Muslim. So everybody they do it in they suffer together. So this generation will not care about religion. So based on say we don't care about religion, nobody will divide us on that one. This generation will not care about ethnicity. You be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be Hausa, you be Efik, you be Shekiri, you be Ijo, you be anything where you be. We are do what? We are one. Do like this. 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 Say we are one. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one.
One Nigeria.
Yes. One Nigeria. When I say one Nigeria, I say progress. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Now because make the country this progress. Now why we come outside? So when I say one Nigeria, I say progress. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. This chairman they vex. What happen now? You dey vex for Nigeria. My oga. One Nigeria now. No vex for Nigeria now. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Do your fingers like this. I can't see you. Raise your fingers in the air. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. One Nigeria.
Valid experience. Valid experience.
Okay. So it's okay. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Una don tire. Say una don tire. Na who go tire? See, una sef don tire. Na who go tire? Na who go tire? Say na you go tire. So wetin we wan talk now be say, you see this my guy wey dey here, he don try encourage us, no be small. So but now as him dey so he get some serious talk wey we get, say wey we gas what? We gas talk. Una know say for the past 2 weeks wey we don dey on top this barricade, you know say we no be talk. Shey we be talk? We be hold long? For the 2 weeks wey we don dey this barricade and where everybody don dey, our protest don dey peaceful. E don dey wetin? E don dey peaceful. Please make everybody dey lis ten because this discussion is very very important. E dey very important. Now later on the government come start to dey do something. They still say they no fit attack us with police, abi? They no fit attack us with soldier. Wetin they come dey do be say they come dey sponsor hoodlums, thugs, make they come dey scatter our midst. In fact, na all of those thugs wey dem send, na dem injure some of our protesters wey dey here. Shey no be so? Those thugs, in fact, they injure me sef. Those thugs wey we dey talk about, na dem dey on top. A number of dem dey street dey do anyhow. Anybody wey dey protest, our people wey dey protest, wey dey on top street, our youth wey dey on top street, they no dey obtain anybody. They no dey carry cutlass. They no dey carry anything. Na only government talk, na dem dey carry am. Something happen for Benin yesterday, and I want make we learn from am, because I wan link am to wetin government just announced yesterday night. As you say government dey bring talk into our protest, they get plan o. E get what? E get why. E get wetin? E get why. We go give them sense, but dem sef dey. Yesterday, dem talk say government talk say protesters enter prison for Benin, come break out people. How many of us don go prison before? You don go prison before? Me, I don go prison before. I don go three prisons. I no dey shame. I don enter three prisons: Kirikiri, Ikoyi, and Ilesha. Yes, if you don't enter prison before, in fact, I just want to say that and a number of us, I tell you the same, this way we dey go prison, we just say we be criminal. As we no be criminal, na say we dey fight for our rights, because they put us inside prison. The people that dey go prison, they dey inside prison. They dey National Assembly. Na dem be thief. Na dem be snake wey dey swallow money. Shey no be so? Na dem be monkey wey dey chop money. We sabi dem. No be those of us wey dey here. No be us dey serve prison. So anybody wey don go prison before, you go know say you no fit stage prison break without the prison official. Shey no be true talk at all? Na true talk. And who dey say make una calm down o? Make una calm down. Who dey control prison official? Na government. Who dey control them? Na government. See I want all of us, make we put this thing for Facebook, make we put this thing for Twitter and Instagram. Wetin happen for Benin yesterday, no be protesters do am. Now what? Now government. Now who? Now government. Now. All of these thugs, when they carry up and down, they get where they go to. They won't seize that excuse, take declare curfew. No, na kulu. They won't take the excuse, declare curfew. So that when they don't declare curfew, they go talk say, hoodlums don't hijack protest, so they don't do anything. They don't they burn police station. No, if protesters they burn police station though. If we won't burn this, we go don't burn this one though. Shall not be so. Now so, but we don't touch anything though. We not do anything. Now police station there allow us. We don't reach there. We never reach there. Now protesters now we there here. We there peaceful. Shall they get up? So what they want to do is say so that now let me tell you what they go do for 4 p.m. Me una kulu. Now what they go do for 4 p.m. be this. When 4 p.m. don't knock, then go expect say me all of us, me we dey run go our house. Say una go run come out? No.
You dey here.
Kulu. Now, kulu ain't get where they go. Ain't get where they waiting. Ain't get where they go. See, when you dey battle, when you dey battle some criminals with their power, kulu. When you dey battle criminals where they occupy the position of power, if you get plan A, maybe you get plan B. If you get plan B, maybe you get plan C. If you get plan C, maybe you get plan D. Now, as all of us don't talk, say we no go come out for here. Then they hear me as I dey talk am. Then they hear una. Then get another plan wey dem go use.
They get informants.
Yes. One thing dem go do be say dem go come bring thug. The thugs dem dey among us as we dey so. Yes. Dem dey among us as we dey talk. Na those thugs, na dem go come dey cause wahala. They come dey cause wetin? Wahala. So if the thugs don start their wahala, they will come bring all the police, say they won't come arrest. They won't suppress. See, as we don't expose all of their plan, nothing will happen for you. So what I'm going to do be say, see, ordinarily, we get members of defense team where people don't nominate themselves since they come attack us. If you dey here so, if you not say you won't join the defense team, what did the defense team they do? Say any hoodlums we do regular. All of us go fight all the hoodlums, so. But I get some persons we go dey front, we guys dey front. Shey they get am. So if you get some people know you do am before. So I go come. If you know say you want dey inside that defense team, what you go do be say come and meet this my guy here. Where that guy with the white? Where is the guy with hair? Okay, come to that. Just come behind the tent. Don't come behind where kulu. Don't come behind this tent. Anybody wey wan dey part of the defense team, may una come that place. Kulu. So any hoodlums wey come here, we go catch am, we go grab am, we go come. Now we ourselves go hand them over to police. We go hand them over to wetin? We no go kill them They want me we do that kind of thing, but we are not. We no be murderer. We are not waiting. We no be killer. We no be dog. Shey they get am. So I go repeat again. If you want serve for the defense team, may una come back here. After this, so what we go? So kulu, may una no make noise too much. I beg. What we go do next now? Be say when 4 p.m. don't knock, all of us go dey here. Make anybody no go out. So what they tell you so? Now what our brothers for Lekki? Now what they go do with that? You know our brothers say they protest for Lekki. Our brothers they Gondo. In fact, there are about 10,000 of them. And then they go as they follow you talk. Sure, they get them. They don't dey there. Our brothers did there. Then go sit down for there. Nothing go happen. No keke wuke, no kukumos school, no kukumos school. So and I go tell you, now all of us dey Twitter, now all of us dey Instagram, now all of us dey Facebook. May we not go there. Tell all of our friends. Say, make them they come now. See me, I tell you now, we go school and we carry better grade come up for school. And we study constitution in there our head. no be military regime we dey. Nobody fit declare decree say we wan impose curfew.
Never.
Now our constitution na dey guide us, and our constitution give us freedom of movement. Yes. Now listen, section 39. May I dey list am? Section 39 give us kulukulu. Section 39 of the constitution wey we dey operate, in give us the freedom of expression. Say we get right to dey talk as we dey talk. We get right to dey protest. Section 40 of that same constitution give us the right to gather like this. It's called, now wetin they call freedom of association. They call what? Freedom of. So we get right when we gather like this. Nothing go happen. So yes. I hear say some other person wan talk. I go still come back. See, wetin we go dey, not be only dance we go dey dance for here, because no be dance we come dance. We go dey come here one of intermittent day. Maybe I don't want use too many Oyibo. We go try dey come here from time to time. When we come follow ourselves talk. Now so we go talk calm till tomorrow. Till we get it. Now there are some certain things I want us to get. Our demands dey clear. Before we go come out for streets, before we go do wetin, come out for streets, government gas to fulfill 5 for 5 demand. The gas implement am, number 1. Abi, number 2, we go add on top of the demand.
Yes.
Because wetin government do na there dem dare us.
Yes.
Then they kill our people for streets. For today, where you dey watch that video, where dem dey shoot. And they shoot for Oyo, then they kill our people for Oyo. Then they shoot for Abuja. Now,